𝗟𝗜𝗥𝗧𝗛𝗑 of the ruling Mizo National Front was elected unopposed as the Deputy Speaker of Mizoram State Legislative Assembly today. The newly elected Deputy Speaker was escorted to his seat by the Leader of the House, 𝗟𝗜𝗙𝗙𝗘, leaders of opposition groups 𝗟𝗚𝗡𝗙𝗪 and 𝗟𝗜𝗚𝗙𝗙𝗘. Notably, 𝗟𝗜𝗥𝗧𝗛𝗑 became the 17th Deputy Speaker since Mizoram, elevated to Union Territory, had its own assembly in 1972, which he is the 12th Deputy Speaker since Mizoram became a full-fledged state in 1987. Biakzauva replaced 𝗟𝗜𝗡𝗙𝗪 as the Deputy Speaker after the latter resigned on December 15 and was later sworn in as a cabinet minister in 𝗟𝗜𝗙𝗙𝗘 government.